In this video, I will solve your doubts on how to remove the ARK host barrier on Xbox One and whether or not it is possible to do this. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that I am recording this video on my computer. However, the process of changing the host barrier will be displayed on your Xbox One if available. I'm only recording here for demonstration purposes and convenience. As you can see, if you head over to the host/local tab, under the general ARK rules, you will be able to scroll down and you should see the non-dedicated host tether distance. As you can see, it is available for me. Like I said, since I am recording this video on my computer, I can switch this option around and either lower it to 0 or max it out at 3. If you are doing this on a PlayStation 4, an Xbox One, maybe even a PS5 or an Xbox Series X or S, what you might notice is that this option might not be available. This is because on those consoles, removing the host tether or the host limit, whatever, is much more strain on the console and the hardware, and those consoles do not have the hardware necessary to be able to handle hosting a server without the host tether. So, if you go over to the general ARK rules, you will probably not see this option, and this is because as of today, sadly, it is impossible to remove the host tether distance from those consoles if you are trying to host a server. As of today, only PC has the option available at all times, and you can change it from here. If you don't see it in your console, that means that it's impossible to change the tether distance on your hosted server. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that this option might not be available for older or newer consoles, only PC. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.